Hello, my name is Alex Josh, and I'm an architect in the Microsoft Business Unit at NetApp. Welcome to another edition of our video blog, and today we'll be talking to a couple of architects at the Microsoft Technology Center in Mountain View, where we've been working on our new Fast Track solution. Okay guys, you want to introduce yourself, Luis?
Sure. My name is Luis Salazar, and I'm the Technical Director here at the Microsoft Technology Center at Silicon Valley campus.
Hi, my name is Benny Ayalew, and I'm a core infrastructure technology architect here at the MTC as well.
So we've been visiting with the MTC the last week, and we've been putting a demo together, and the guys have been very helpful. Benny, maybe you could just talk about what we've been doing today and what you think about the solution.
Sure. So what we actually did today was we went ahead and set up two demo scenarios. One that actually talks about provisioning a VM using System Center Orchestrator and with NetApp on the back end of it. And another one that also goes into a disaster recovery scenario, and basically went through and set that all up and made it available for our customers here.
So one of the key aspects for NetApp is private clouds on the Microsoft platform. Luis, can you kind of tell us about Microsoft's strategy there with private cloud and kind of how that works together with storage and what the opportunity you think is for storage providers like us?
So we have been working extensively with a lot of our hardware partners. NetApp is one of the big ones here. And we have built a number of what we call the Hyper-V Fast Track reference architecture. And the idea there is to actually help our customers, our mutual customers, understand the benefits of the private cloud. You know, how you can get the elasticity, scalability, self-service capabilities that all the private cloud brings to bear, and just being able to just learn and get more awareness for our customers so that they can actually go and leverage this technology and deploy it in-house.
So Benny, I know that you're an infrastructure specialist. Obviously, you spend a lot of customer face time with these technologies, with Palace, with SCVMM, and what do you think the customer reaction is to like highly automated scenarios with Palace and SCVM, and how does that play out when you have that conversation with customers?
I think well, I know this will be extremely well received in terms of what customers are going to be looking for, because there's a tremendous amount of manual effort that with which this kind of thing is approached in today's environment. Right? We have a fair number of customers, a tremendous number of customers actually, who are licensees of most of these capabilities, as we speak, who may not be taking advantage of them because simply they may not already know that some of these tools, some of these solutions that we have are applicable in the scenarios you're thinking about, in specific to private cloud and some of these scenarios. So I think this really helps unlock a lot of capability that's owned but not necessarily sort of deployed in their environments. And so I think I'm excited about it, and people that come in here will have no option but to be.
Awesome. So Luis, you're the technical director here at the facility. Do you want to just tell us about the MTC for people that haven't actually been to an MTC before?
Oh, absolutely, yes. So what we do is we are the technical arm of the sales organization in the Northwest District. So as such, we have a team of architects like Benny, myself, and others that cover different areas of technology. And really our goal is to help customers through the process of evaluating, planning, designing, and deploying technology. We have actually a good track record of customer satisfaction. That is actually our biggest metric, and customer and partner satisfaction. And as such, we work closely with partners such as NetApp to actually build these solutions and showcase technology. Essentially, we are the showcase of technology for Microsoft, and we are available worldwide. This particular facility here covers not just the Northwest or the NorCal area, but also the Puget Sound and Portland, Boise, essentially all the Northwestern district for Microsoft. And yeah.
Awesome. Okay. So Benny, any any last thoughts about looking forward and maybe a little bit to System Center 2012 and how this is going to evolve? And obviously System Center 2012 is very, very different than the current platform, but what's kind of the outlook for private cloud and the 2012 framework, and what are you working on there?
So there's again, quite a fair bit of excitement around Wave 12 and a lot of the exciting work that we're actually doing within System Center there. Obviously, Orchestrator being being one of the key pieces to that, and clearly, NetApp having the tremendous amount of automation and PowerShell enablement throughout, pervasive throughout its stack, and just sort of how it lends itself very easily to sort of snap right into that. I think is going to be some awesome scenarios that our joint customers are going to be able to take advantage of as we go forward. Wave 12 is imminent, right? It's going to be landing fairly quick here, and a lot of the work that our teams have been doing together as partners, it's going to really translate into a tremendous amount of value for our mutual customers here. So we have a fair number of NetApp customers that come through here through the MTC, and being able to see those integrated scenarios where they can look at taking advantage of all the capability that we're bringing to bear in System Center 2012, and being able to take advantage of all the work that NetApp has already put into the PowerShell and the automation pieces, just to speak of a few. I think those are going to be just exciting things to take advantage of.
I'll just add to that. I was actually on a conference call with customers and internal folks, and one of the key things that everybody acknowledges, even within Microsoft, is the level of investments that you guys have put into this reference architecture, the integration with Opalis through the integration packs, the PowerShell provider. They just enable so many more advanced automation scenarios that are not possible with other platforms today. So it's like being ahead of the curve is going to be very important for our customers, and you guys are already, you guys are, I think, ahead of the ball on today's technology, and I'm sure you're going to be ahead when we actually release 2012 as well, so which is actually good news for everybody.
Yeah. Awesome. Okay, guys, well, thanks very much. Much appreciated, and we'll be seeing you. And thanks everybody who's listening online, and we'll catch you on the next episode.
All right, thanks.